Backwashing 101 with a P4 Prologic system. Alright, so we're going to shut the filter off. Come over here. Turn the handle onto backwash. Come back over here. Hit the filter button. Let it stay on speed 1.
I didn't even see this.
Right, that's the sight glass. You backwash till you see clean water in there. Okay? You actually should have put it in speed 4 because it's faster, but we'll do that in the next step. Alright, so now the water's clearing up. So we're going to come over here. We're going to stop it. Okay? We're going to put this on rinse. Okay? We're going to hit filter again. We're going to pick speed 4. It's the highest speed. For 10 seconds. Then we're going to stop it. Okay? We're going to come back over here. We're going to put this on backwash again.
Should we have the water go this way?
We're going to hit the filter button. We're going to leave it on speed 4 because that's the highest speed setting. Backwash till we see clean water in the sight glass. See how dirty that is? That's clean water. Come back over here. Shut it off. Now we're going to go to rinse one more time. Hit the filter button. It's on speed 4. Rinse it for a few seconds. Shut it off. Come back over here. Go to backwash again. That's the 3rd time we're going to backwash and the final time. Hit the filter button, leave it on speed 4. We're going to backwash until we see clean water in the sight glass. Once we see clean water, we're going to stop it. Okay, now that we stopped it, we're going to turn the handle to filter. We are going to turn this on. We're going to put it to speed 1. And we're going to add 4 scoops of diatomaceous earth into the skimmer, and it will get sucked back into the filter. Remember to add your diatomaceous earth after you backwash into the skimmer and turn the filter on so it goes back into the filter. Alright, and that concludes today's lesson.